Good morning, students. In the previous video of rational numbers, you got the introduction of this chapter very well, and on the behalf of that video, I hope that you all have solved exercise 1A. If you have any doubt in exercise 1A, you can send me your doubts on my WhatsApp number between 12 noon to 2 p.m. So today we will discuss new topic from the same chapter, rational numbers, and this is part 2. The previous video was part 1 and this is part 2, and today we'll discuss two things: operation on rational numbers and properties, some important properties of rational number. So there are four major operators in rational numbers, or in integers, in whole numbers. We use four operators, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first of all, we'll discuss how to add two or more rational numbers. Here I am giving you example of two rational numbers, and on the basis of this procedure only you can add if there are more than two rational numbers. So you can get two kind of questions when in addition. In subtraction you will get two kind of questions when the denominator of two or more rational numbers are same, and when two or more rational numbers are having different denominators. First of all, I'll explain that how to solve how to add rational numbers when two or more rational numbers are having the same denominator. So here in this you can see the first question I have written 6 upon 13 plus negative 2 by 13. So here you can see that two rational numbers are there, 6 upon 13, and the second rational number is minus 2 upon 13, and you can see that both are having the same denominators. So in this case you need not to do anything. You can write this the common denominator 13, and you can write 6, and you can use these symbols. And now we can do the operation on the behalf of the integers. 6 and plus multiplied by minus, it will become negative, and you can write 4 upon 13. This is your solution. In the second example you can see that both are both the rational numbers, this is the positive rational number, this is also positive rational number, both are not having the same denominators. Then how we can solve? Then we will take the LCM of denominators. So we'll take the LCM of both. First denominator is 6 and second denominator is 3. We'll take the LCM of both. 2 3s are 6, 3, then 3, 1, 1. So what is our LCM? 2 into 3, 6 is our LCM. So what we can write here? 6. Now 6 divided by this LCM is divided by this denominator. 6 divided by 6, 1, and that 1 will be multiplied by numerator. So 6 divided by 6, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Then we will use this sign, and again 6, this LCM divided by this denominator. 6 divided by 3, 2, and 2 multiplied by numerator, and numerator is again 2, so 2 into 2, 4. So we can write here 4 plus 1, 5 upon 6. The second operator is subtraction. How to subtract two or more rational numbers? Here again same, we'll use LCM method. We'll take the LCM of 12 and 8. Take the LCM of 12 and 8. 2 6 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, then again 1 time. So what will be LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. We can write here minus 7 upon 12 minus 1 upon 8. So we can write 24. 24, again this LCM is divided by this denominator. So 24 divided by 12, 2 times, 2 7s are 14, and we'll use this operator minus, and again we'll use this sign. 24 divided by 8, 3 times. 24 divided by 8, 3 times. 3 into this numerator 1, 3 times. Now you can see we can use the concept of integers. Two negatives we will add, and the sign will remain the negative. 14 minus 4, minus 14 minus 3, it gives us minus 17 upon 24. The next one is multiplication. Multiplication, you will get we can multiply two or more rational numbers. So we can multiply numerator to numerator. 5 1s are 5, and 9 3s are 27. So this is your answer. Here more than two rational numbers are there, and we can simplify it also. Here you can see that both the rational numbers are in the simplest form, so that's why we cannot simplify. And here you can see that the first rational number and the second one is both are having the common factor, so we can simplify it. 4 divided by 4 one time, and this 5 divided one time. So what is 3 ones are 3, ones are 3, negative 3 upon what is left in the denominator 6. Again we can simplify. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, it gives 1 is 1 by 2. Same division. See, this is your dividend, and this is your divisor. So while doing the division, we have to convert this sign into multiplication. In this procedure, we take the reciprocal of divisor. What is reciprocal? We convert this denominator into numerator and this numerator into denominator. This 9 shifts here and 2 shifts here. So 1 by 8, and we change this sign into multiplication, and it becomes reciprocal of 9 by 2. It will become 2 upon 9. Now we can simplify. Both, you can see that both the rational numbers are in the simplified form, so we cannot simplify it. So we will multiply by numerator into numerator. So we can 2 ones are 2 and 8 nines are 72. Sorry, by mistake I have told that both are not having the common factor, but here you can see that 2 and 8 are having the common factors. So what we can do, we can simplify 2 and 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1, 4 nines are 36. This is your answer. I hope you all have understood this. Now I'll discuss properties of rational numbers. So here I have written some properties. First one is the closure property. Please you have to pay attention, because these things are very complicated, so you have to pay attention, then only you will understand. What is closure property? Basically these properties are not new for you. When I taught whole numbers, integers, or any other, integers, whole number, when I taught, then already I have discussed many times these properties. So again today I'll discuss these properties in the regard of this rational number. So what is closure property? Closure property says that when we add 2 or more rational numbers, the answer is also a rational number. This is closure property over addition. The next one is over subtraction. It says that when we add 2 or more rational numbers, when we subtract 2 or more rational numbers, the answer is also a rational number. The third, over multiplication. It says that when we multiply 2 or more rational numbers, the answer is always a rational number. So this is known as closure property. I'll give you example how it works on over addition. When we add 2 or more rational numbers, take 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3. So how to add? What will be LCM? 12. So we can 12 divided by 4, 3 times 3 into 3, 9. And this is 12 divided by 3, 4 times 4 into 2, 8. 17 upon 12. So you can see that I have added 2 rational numbers, and answer is again a rational number. So this is known as closure property over addition. When we add 2 rational numbers, we always get rational number. Over subtraction. Over subtraction, when we subtract 2 or more rational numbers, we always get a rational number. Suppose I am writing 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. You can see LCM is 12. So 12 divided by 4, 3, 9, and 12 divided by 3, 4, 4 2s are 8. You have got 1 by 12. So you can see I have subtracted two rational numbers and you got the answer rational number. Same thing applied on multiplication also. When we multiply two or more rational numbers, answer is again a rational number. So you can see 2 by 7 into 7 upon 3. So you can 7 cancelled, 2 upon 3. So you can see that I have multiplied two rational numbers and again the answer is rational number. So when we multiply two rational numbers, the result is also rational number. This is known as closure property over multiplication. Now when we talk about subtraction, one thing you have to take care, we cannot take 0, because when we write 0 plus 1 by 2, sorry, we can take 0 also when we add 0 in any rational number, and you know that 0 is also a rational number because we can write 0 as 0 upon 1. When we add 0 in any rational number, we again get the rational number. So it is applied for 0 also, because 0 is also a rational number.